So there are 5 components. So if this is the sacrum, if someone has a hyperlordotic curve, and to the frequency about 10 per second, you can actually switch off muscle hyper.
Hi, I'm Jenna, and I'm a yoga instructor and a part of... We have the block pressing into the insertion of tendons and causing a forced relaxation.
Hi, my name is Robert Glean. I am a registered massage therapist. You okay there?
Yep.
So this device is called the Dolphin. It's a neurostim.
Hi everyone, my name is Mary Tam. I'm a registered massage. Working on the fascia, muscle belly, trying to get more external rotation in your arm and abduction of the GH.
So hi, my name is Dr. Angelo Gazze. I'm a chiropractor, and I'm here. And down. This is very tight. Is it tender?
I feel it.
Right there a little bit too, or
It's not as bad there.
more over here, right?
More lateral, yeah.